So randomly, the last few days, it just goes into this beep mode when I'm unlocking the car. What I understand, well, what I've been doing, it's never done it so often, but I think it might have to do with the auto headlights. Let me see.
So this happened to me once or twice before, but then I notice it's happening more often, about once a week. Usually my lights are set to automatic, but here it's not lit at all. So let's try to figure it out.
So the light is switched. Which one is that? Double light. That means this guy, right? And you know what that symbol means? That symbol means parking lights. And nothing's lighted here. So it's supposed to be lighted. Interesting. Now light switch automatic, right? Yeah, parking lights. Yep. So parking lights was set on, which I didn't set. See that? Parking light off. Parking lamps auto. So the software update's causing this, because it definitely wasn't set to parking. And it's not my knee. I'm not even near it. No way I could touch it. Interesting.
Doing some research, this seems to be a common issue. There is not a fix, so if you take it to the dealer, they cannot fix it as of yet. So supposedly the software update is supposed to fix it, but the software updates I received seem to be making it worse. It's not a big deal, just switch it like that, but just a little bit annoying. Are you guys having this problem too?